Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about the brand new 2025 Mercedes EQG. Now I hope everybody is sitting down, and I really do mean this, please be sitting down because you may faint at this next bit. This is a brand new Mercedes where the numbers in the badge actually mean something. I'm not joking, this is not fake. Allow me to explain. The 3090 kg all-electric SUV, formerly known as the EQG, is now the G580 with EQ technology. The important bit is this: G580 equals 580 horsepower. See, I told you I wasn't joking. This is the first ever all-electric G-Class. Similar styling to the standard car, it's got 580 horsepower and a whopping 1164 Nm of torque. It has up to 296 miles of range, and the price starts from £122,700. Powering the new Mercedes G-Class EV are 4 electric motors, something we've only seen on hypercars like the Rimac Nevera until now. Combined, these put out almost 580 horsepower and a colossal 1164 Nm of torque. That's almost exactly the same power as the new AMG G63, however it's over 300 Nm more torque. For its first year on the market, the G-Class EV will be offered only in loaded Edition 1 guys. The Edition 1 will come standard with AMG line and night packages, which include 20-inch wheels and other exterior trim painted high gloss black. A two-tone silver pearl and black Napa leather interior is offset by blue carbon fibre trim elements. Also standard on the Edition 1 is the active multi-contour Seat Plus package, which features 8 massage programs for the driver and front passenger. Even with an emphasis on off-roading over performance, the G580 with EQ technology is no slouch on the tarmac. The electric SUV can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds and will be electronically limited to a maximum top speed of 180 kilometers or 112 miles per hour. The Mercedes G-Class EV is available to order now in Germany, and the books will open in the UK soon. It starts from €142,621 on its home soil, which is around £122,700. UK prices are yet to be finalised though. So what are your thoughts on the Mercedes EQG? Do you think Mercedes made the right decision to go electric, or do you think they should have kept the V8 under the bonnet? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear all about it. And this is Zero to Infinity Automotive. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.